Wow, that horn's pretty loud. All right, the next crossing's us. Park Avenue East train crossing, Guthrie, Kentucky. 10-minute drive from Clarksville, Tennessee. Here it comes. Yep. All right. There goes the gates. Road's closed. Here comes the train. Grain train. DPU. Oh, double DPU, look at that. That's awesome. Okay, let's go back up. And the road is clear. Nice train video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. High green signal light. Yep. I'm gonna knock down the signal lights too. Yeah, signal lights are all red this way too. Awesome. Whew. Oh, look at there. Light just now went green this way. The signal on the right just went to a high green, to clear. Clear of all tracks. Proceed at maximum train track authorized speed. Speed limit on this train track is 50 miles an hour. We're gonna have another train the other way, while the signal light on the left is showing all red, stop. The signal light on the right is showing high green, clear. Cool. We're going to have another train soon. All right. We'll see what happens in the next hour or so. Or 1 hour or less. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye.